Now, this is the Protein Databank. This is a fantastic resource because it's the only place that you're ever going to need to go to find a protein structure that you're interested in working with. This database, whenever somebody publishes a new structure, publishes a paper about a new protein structure that they've determined, this is the place where the files will be uploaded. And then you can come and download them. And then you can do your own work with them on your own time. And there's a lot of cool stuff to be done because there's a lot of proteins in here. Like, let's see, 224,000 and change these days, and over 1 million computed structure models if you trust AlphaFold enough to start doing docking work on top of those. Anyway, what we're here for this tutorial is a protein with this identifier, 1IEP. So just type that into your search bar there, hit enter. You'll be brought to this page. So as you see here, 1IEP is the 4-character identifier for this structure. Every structure in this database has some kind of unique identifier that's going to be 4 characters like this, numbers and letters. And then this tells us it is the crystal structure of the CABL kinase domain in complex with STI-571, which likely doesn't mean a whole lot to you. And if that doesn't mean a whole lot to you, it would be smart for you to continue reading more of the information on this page having to do with this protein, starting with this paper down here, which is the actual paper in which the researchers talk about determining this structure. And so you could read this paper and you could figure out what this protein is all about and what it does, and you would learn that this protein is related to people getting cancer. And so people are interested in the structure of this protein because they're interested in designing drugs for this protein and understanding its mechanism of action so that you can treat cancer that's caused by this. There's more information down here. You don't need all of this for what we're doing today, but it's interesting. Certainly if you've never been on this site before, spend some time going through here and just see what all is in here and what this can tell you. This is good just as you're looking through different structures that are available to you for a particular protein or a particular gene. You want to see what are your different options for structures to work with. So for instance, like this one was determined by X-ray diffraction, and it has this resolution. Is this a good resolution? Are we happy with this resolution? Do we need a better resolution for the work we're trying to do? It depends on what you're trying to do, but this is great for what we're doing today. So all you got to do is you got to come up here to download files, and then you want to download PDB format. So you click that, and I will save this file.